Tonight, a legal victory for Gabby Petito's parents, with a judge using harsh words in his ruling against Brian Laundrie's family. The circuit judge in Florida ruling their lawsuit against Brian Laundrie's parents for intentional infliction of emotional suffering can move forward. The judge writing that most of the Petito family's complaints focused on the Laundries, quote, failing to act by not telling them where their daughter was or that she was dead, alleging they knew their son had killed Gabby. The judge also saying that if the case had centered around the Laundries remaining silent, and if they truly had been silent, the court would have ruled in their favor.
The law imposes no such obligation to speak, and the state and federal constitutions support that. In our society, under our laws, people are free not to speak.
They didn't say much, but what they did say through their attorney was enough for the case to move forward. On September 14th, 2021, while officials searched for Gabby Petito in the Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming, the Laundrie family's attorney, Steve Bertolino, released a statement reading in part, "On behalf of the Laundrie family, it is our hope that the search for Miss Petito is successful and the Petito is reunited with her family." Her body was found at the park 5 days later. Petito's parents allege in the lawsuit that Brian had told his parents on August 28th that he had killed her.
If in fact they knew that she was dead, that comment is really deceptive.
The judge is writing, the Laundrie statement by their attorney in the context of the unique facts of this case is objectively outrageous.
Not only did they make that statement that gave the family false hope, but then they also took additional steps to block any type of communications from the family. And I think that's what the judge took great issue with. They weren't silent.
The Laundrie family attorney, Steve Bertolino, telling NBC News they are disappointed with the decision and will, quote, continue to use all available legal means to preserve their rights. The Petito's attorney did not respond to a request for comment. Petito and her fiancé Laundrie were traveling together across the United States on a van life journey, documenting it on social media along the way. Laundrie returned home from the road trip on September 1st without Gabby, then disappeared himself. The search for both captivating the nation.
A search that spans multiple states. Still, there are more questions than answers.
In October, about a month after Gabby's remains were found, Brian Laundrie's body was discovered in a nature preserve not far from his parents' Florida home, along with writings and a notebook that claimed responsibility for killing Petito. Last week, Bertolino also releasing excerpts of that notebook. Laundrie claiming Petito was injured, of which there is no evidence, writing, quote, I ended her life. I thought it was merciful, that it was what she wanted, but I see now all the mistakes I made. Vaughn Hillyard, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.